The relationship between man and nature has evolved over millennia. Early humans depended directly on nature for survival. The development of agriculture marked a turning point. This led to the rise of settled communities. Humans began to manipulate their environment. The relationship became one of control and modification. Humans also revered nature, seeing ancient myths and art. With civilizations came exploitation of natural resources. The Industrial Revolution intensified this exploitation. Rapid urbanization changed landscapes dramatically. Environmental awareness began to surface in the late 20th century. The impact of climate change started to be recognized widely. People are now striving for sustainable practices. Rewilding efforts aim to restore ecosystem. Humanity's future depends on our relationship with nature. Education about environmentalism has increased. Cultural practices reflect a deeper understanding of ecology. Traditional knowledge is being integrated into modern practices. Technology has the potential to aid conservation efforts. A balanced future requires cooperation between humanity and nature.